Okay, in this session we'll talk about more about marketing. Okay, okay. In the clothing stores, there are it's best that you get a cash machine. Invest in a cash machine where every time you buy or to purchase a yellow color dress, that's color, you just press a yellow color dress. So that when the customer purchase a red dress, you press a red dress, and when the customer purchase a size large, you press a large in the cash machine, cash machine. Okay, so that over time you'll be able to accumulate. What is the most trendy, what is the most popular kind of dresses the customers like, the women customers like. Okay, so some people after the end of the day or at the end of the month, you'll find that yellow or red color may be the popular trend, and the size large and size medium may be the popular trend. So you can order more similar clothes, similar trends about similar trends on yellow color and red color from the people in China or in Thailand, where you order the clothing, so that you can order about the similar clothing. This is how you get to know what is the trend in the world. What is the trend in the market. You don't get to know the trend of the dress by doing research or anything like that. You get to know the trend of what is the most popular clothing by your sales. Okay, by your sales, what kind of clothes is most trendy? What kind of sales that is most sellable? Okay, what kind of whether is it YouTube, whether is it those kind of t-shirt, women's t-shirt. What kind of is most trendy? What kind of you get to know what is most trendy in the market? What is most popular by getting to know the sales invest in the cash machine, and invest in the cash machine where you can plot graphs. The best ideal one will be able to plot a graph. What is the most trend, and you order the similar clothing from China or from Thailand about a similar one, so that you can sell more of it to the same to different type of customers. Okay. Another thing is that if you were to use mannequin, and if you were to put the clothes outside the mannequin, few people will come inside of the shop to look for the more expensive clothing. So if you were to put the clothing outside in the mannequin, it means that it's the more popular ones. Every time you use every time the ones that you put at the mannequins are the ones that you find after the research, after the sales, from the sales record, you see that this shirt is most sellable. So you put this type of shirt in a mannequin and hope to draw attention to more customers, similar type of customers, what is in demand in the market. This is how you get to know what is in demand of the market. Okay, this is about how you get similar clothing from China or Thailand. Okay, thank you.